Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. How are you all? Hope you are doing great. Thank you very much to giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my daily routine. First of all, I wake up early in the morning, and then I have brushed my teeth, and then I have taken a sahari. And then I have performed for Fajr Salah. After completing my Fajr Salah, I will take a morning exercise, and then I have come home and taken a bath. I have taken a bath, and then I have gone to classroom. I have completed my class. I come home and I have performed for Zuhr Salah. After completing our Zuhr Salah, I will done our afternoon session. After completing my afternoon session, I have performed from Asr Salah, and then I have taken Iftar. After completing my Iftar, I have performed Maghrib Salah, and then when I go to in bed, I have completed my dinner, and I have completed my homework, and I have taken dinner. Thank you very much for listening me patiently.